how does Profit First work? Do I have to do what the book says, or can I customize it to fit my own needs, my own quilt shop? Well, great news, great questions, because all of these questions I get pretty often. But first, to make sure we're all on the same page about what Profit First is a cash management system like the cash envelope budgeting system, but for business. It's adapted and modernized using multiple checking accounts. Now, I love the Profit First system. I use it in my own business and help other businesses implement and maintain the system in their businesses. My name is Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA and certified Profit First professional. I co-own Utah Valley Quilting and founded Curtis Accounting Solutions, where we help quilt shops piece together financial freedom by implementing Profit First, taking on the bookkeeping, payroll, and taxes of quilt shops, and providing proven business coaching and strategy. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on the Profit First system and how it's helped you and how you customize it. So please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So how does the Profit First system exactly work in the day-to-day of bookkeeping? Well, it's really quite simple. Once you have your accounts created, nicknamed, and percentages figured out, every couple of weeks you simply allocate or transfer all the money your quilt shop has earned and accumulated in the income checking account to the other checking accounts based on specific percentages that are tailored to your quilt shop. You then run your business and make decisions based on the balance of the appropriate account. Splitting your money into different checking accounts helps you to actually spend and save appropriately, ultimately helping you to be a good steward of your resources and fulfill your responsibility as a business owner. So first, you must know where you stand today by looking at how you've spent and saved your money over the last year. We do this by completing what Mike Michalowicz, the author of Profit First, calls the instant assessment. Now, the instant assessment results will give you your current allocation percentages, or CAPs, and what categories you need to change to move toward your target allocation percentages, or TAPs. Now, the details of how to do this are too much for this video, but you can click the link below to download the exact steps you need to take for free. Now, today I'm going to do an overview of that process. So first, we need to determine how much money we have collected from our customers over the past 12 months. This is typically your sales amounts on your profit and loss statement. We call this your top line revenue or total income. Now, this is where we customize Profit First just a little bit to be more quilt shop friendly. Instead of calling the next section materials and subs for subcontractors, I just call it inventory because most quilt shops operate around inventory. So we need to determine how much inventory we have purchased over the last year. Next is profit. We need to figure out how much you have saved specifically for real emergencies over the last year. In most cases, this is zero. Then comes owner's compensation, or the amount of pay you've received and perks you have benefited from over the last year. Then comes taxes. This is the amount you have specifically saved and paid for the annual income taxes of the business and the owner of the business. Again, in most cases, this is probably zero. And lastly, we have operating expenses. This is the sum of all other expenses like rents, employee payroll, sales and payroll taxes, debt payments, and everything else. Once you have these numbers for each category, you simply do a simple division and multiplication problem to get your current allocation percentages. Divide each category by your top line revenue, multiply that by 100, and you have your CAPs. Again, if you need help getting this done, please click the link below for a free step-by-step guide called the Profit First Instant Assessment. Now that you have your current allocation percentages or your current percentages, the next step is to compare that to the standard target percentages. Again, the free step-by-step guide will help you do this and figure out what those targets should be. Most quilt shop owners are not shocked by the results they actually see in this instant assessment. They have intuitively known that they have a bit of a mess. But the good news is that you can use Profit First system to get onto the path to financial freedom. By simply sticking to the percentages and not spending more than is available in those accounts, you will start to make that change to financial freedom. I must warn you though, it can be very painful at times, but it is so worth it. And just imagine what you could do if you had all that extra debt money paid off. What would you do with that extra money? How would that impact your life? How would that impact your customers' lives, your family, or even your community, right? Using Profit First saved our quilt shop. If you stick to the Profit First principles, it can help you too. Click on the link below to download the free step-by-step guide, the process to starting Profit First. If you're ready to join the ranks of quilt shops that have received professional help with Profit First and bookkeeping and payroll and taxes, click the other link in my description below to schedule a call with me. Thank you again for watching, and make sure to follow me at Curtis Accounting Solutions at Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Again, click the links below to get a call with me and to download that guide. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.